Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the skills needed to become a good back-end developer or skills for back-end development. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Skills needed for back-end development. Back-end development requires a diverse set of technical skills and competencies. Below are the key skills needed for back-end development. Number 1, programming languages. Back-end developers should be proficient in at least one server-side programming language. Common languages include Python, known for its readability in wide range of frameworks, example Django and Flask. Java, highly used in enterprise environments with frameworks like Spring. JavaScript, Node.js, popular for its event-driven architecture in use in full-stack development. Ruby, known for its simplicity in the Ruby on Rails framework. PHP, widely used for web development with frameworks like Laravel. C#, commonly used in enterprise environments with the .NET framework. We have also number 2, frameworks and libraries. Understanding and using frameworks and libraries can accelerate development and enforce best practices. Examples include Django, Flask for Python, Spring for Java, Node.js for Express.js, Ruby on Rails for Ruby, Laravel for PHP, ASP.NET for C#. Third, we have here database and SQL. Knowledge of database management systems and query languages is crucial. Skills include SQL, writing efficient queries, understanding joins, indexing, and normalization. Relational databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, NoSQL databases, MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis. Number 4, we have here API and web services. Back-end developers often need to create and consume APIs. Skills include RESTful API design, creating APIs that follow REST principles, GraphQL, query language for APIs, SOAP, older protocol for web services, JSON and XML, data exchange format. PIP, we have here version control systems. Proficiency with version control systems is essential for collaboration in code management. The skills include Get, understanding branching, merging, pull requests, and version history. Platforms, we have here the GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Number 6, we have here authentication and authorization. Implementing secure authentication and authorization mechanisms. Skills include OAuth, JWT for token-based authentication, LDAP for directory services, SAML for single sign-on SSO. Number 7, we have your server, networking, and DevOps. Understanding server and networking concepts as well as some DevOps skills. We have here Linux, Unix, command line shell scripting, cloud services, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, containerization, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, pipelines, Jenkins, GitLab, CI/CD, web servers, Nginx, and Apache. So for number 8, we have security best practices. Implementing security best practices to protect applications and data. Encryption, SSL, TLS, data encryption, secure coding practices. Preventing SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, penetration testing, identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities. We have here number 9, performance optimization, in ensuring the application run efficiently, can handle scale, caching, Redis, memcache, load balancing techniques and tools, profiling and monitoring tools to analyze and improve performance. We have example New Relic, Datadog. And lastly, we have here the soft skills. So being a back-end developer, we have also to learn what are the different types of soft skills. So back-end developers also need several soft skills to be effective: problem solving, ability to troubleshoot and resolve complex issues, communication, collaborating with front-end developers, designers, and stakeholders, time management, prioritizing tasks, and managing workloads, attention to details, write clean and maintainable and error-free code. But in conclusion, back-end development is a multifaceted discipline that requires a blend of technical skills and soft skills. Mastery of programming languages, frameworks, and databases, API design, version control, security, and performance optimization, and essential soft skills ensure that the backend developers can create robust, secure, and efficient server-side applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what are the skills needed for backend development. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.